Hi guys, so this will be my first review of the um, Boeing 777-9X 1 to 2 400, 1 to 400 scale model from JC Wings. I just got this model today. I ordered it off eBay. The seller is from Thailand. I got it at around 40 plus US dollars or 200 plus Malaysian ringgit. I'm from Malaysia, by the way. So let's have a look at this model. The Boeing 777-9 is an aircraft that was launched by Boeing a couple of years ago. It was supposed to be delivered to the launch customer in 2020, but there's a delay to the program due to various factors, the engines and etc. So I think it's going to be flying. It's already flying now. It's on test flights, but it's going to be delivered to the first customer probably next year, to Lufthansa, I believe. So a couple of airlines have already ordered this aircraft: Lufthansa, Singapore Airlines, Emirates, Etihad, All Nippon Airways, Cathay Pacific, if I'm not mistaken. So, by the way, this is the box by JC Wings. That's the some stats of the aircraft written in the box. The length, the wingspan, the height, the number of engines, as well as the engine type powering the aircraft. So this aircraft is powered by the GE9X engines, which is the largest commercial aircraft engine in the world. It's the successor to the GE90, which is also massive. So let's open this box. This is a standard JC Wings box. Nothing special about this. Quality of the box is so-so. There it is. It's a 777-9 in Boeing in-house livery. It's in the red livery, which I think is already discontinued. Boeing decides to go in a unified blue livery for future aircraft models. There it is. It's just amazing to just hold this aircraft. Is pretty decently weighed. It's heavy. Not as heavy as the A380 models that I have, but probably this is the second heaviest. The 777X and 9 there at the tail. The new engines, GE9X. I just love this engine. The details in the model is good. I mean, the shape of the fan blades, and the GE logo on the engine. Is there. I love the details on this model. It's pretty much close to how the real aircraft looks like. Although, for the record, I don't think Boeing has produced a real 777-9 aircraft in this color, as the first test aircraft is already in blue. but yeah, amazing, very good details on all the other aspects of the aircraft. The Boeing 777-9, the actual aircraft comes with a foldable wingtip, but for this model, although you can see the markings that the wingtip can be folded, but for the model itself, this wingtip is fixed. You can't fold the wingtip. I know that there are some models available in the market that comes with an actual foldable wingtip, but this one doesn't. But it still looks good, to be honest. Very good detail on this model. Most of my Boeing in-house livery models are from JC Wings, so they rarely disappoint. I mean, this one is good as well. I'm just living it. For me, this is a very beautiful livery on a 777. Beautiful aircraft anyway, but this livery makes it looks even more beautiful. I'll probably get one in blue just for comparison, but I'm just loving the red livery more. So this is now up there with my favorite 1 to 400 model that I have. There it is, the JC Wings Boeing 777-9X model. Do get it, you won't be disappointed.